Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to use the Apple Maps, and you can select just the bus routes. So say you don't want to use the train, the subway, or skytrain, but you just want to use the bus route. This is how you're going to do it. Alright, so right now the second box is highlighted. You can tell because it has a blue outline around it. Select transit, the third box. Now click on the map. So next, what you're going to want to do is scroll to the bottom and make sure only bus is selected. Deselect the other three options like the ferry and light, whatever. And then just click the Go green button and your GPS will become activated and start telling you the directions turn by turn. Right now I have my screen being recorded, so my GPS isn't turning on, but normally it would say, you know, head north toward 124th Street, then turn right in 100 meters, blah, blah, blah. All right, so I hope that video was helpful. If you liked it, please do like and subscribe for more. And leave any comments, questions below in the comment section. All right, that's it, guys. Happy driving, safe driving, and have the best day ever. Peace.